Welcome to WebStylePress. This is my website's front end. Refresh, scheduled maintenance. And this is backend for my website. Refresh, scheduled maintenance. Briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance. Check back in a minute. Sometimes, due to unfinished operation like interrupted plugin upgrade, theme upgrade, or WordPress upgrade, you can stuck at maintenance screen for your site. Admin and frontend both won't work. To fix briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance, go to site root and delete .maintenance file. Refresh site and your site will be back. This is backend. This is front end. Front end has got CSS issues because I was doing some upgrades and it was stuck in the middle. So this is how you fix briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance for WordPress site. I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.